It's very easy to forget how rich a child's emotional life really is. It's very easy to brush it under the rug, कि चलो बच्चा है भूल जाएगा. But it doesn't happen that way. A child actually has all the emotions that an adult has too. It's a roller coaster in their minds as much as it is in ours. They're experiencing great love, great anger, great conflict, great guilt, shame. So many things go on in their hearts, but we need to learn how to help them manage those emotions. It is the responsibility of adults, parents, teachers, school administrators, and any caring adult in that child's life. So I went to this brilliant school in Noida called Indraprasth Global School and saw something very interesting that they're doing to help kids manage conflict better. This is a little initiative called Buddy Bench. So check this out. So ma'am, what is this Buddy Bench? Where did it come from?
All right, so this is a very simple concept. We have it in our corridor. So any child who's feeling low, just feeling upset about certain things, it could be the smallest of things, they just come and sit here. And anybody passing in the corridor, they just, tend to talk to them. So whether it's a teacher or it's a didi or any senior child, who would like to help. So we just sit there, talk it out. And if the child feels that the issue is resolved, they go back happy, and they don't need to go any further.
Nice.
But if we feel that if the child feels that no, he needs to talk to a teacher or me, then they just tend to peep inside my room.
Oh, nice.
And then make sure that I look at them, and then I go out,
So,
talk to the children.
But is it usually you, ma'am?
No,
Trying to go and help?
not always, but many a time, yes.
Okay.
Because they feel that more than students, it's the teachers or the HM ma'am who can help us out. But lot of conflicts are resolved with the kids itself.
Right. What
Yes.
kind of things come up? Can you give us an
Small
example?
little things like my friends don't want to talk to me because I don't like to share my things, or I want something. I'm very upset that my parents didn't buy me this gift
Right.
because they promised me and they did not give it to me, or the teacher scolded me. So there's small little things, but I'm glad they speak up.
Yeah.
So that's why this bench is right here in the corridor.
Yeah. And it's
So,
outside your office. That's
Yes.
also, I find the placement very, very pertinent.
This has been done, I think, with a reason, with a purpose, because they make sure to peep in, and I make sure that they are heard.
Yeah, I think we all talk about social emotional learning and taking care of
Absolutely.
kids' feelings. So here's a really practical, simple thing that IPGS Noida is doing. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
I hit Misty.
Yes.
I wanted to touch her cheeks.
That's what I think. Don't go by the spelling.
So sorry, accept my mistake. We are best friends again.